guys, it's Mavi. Today I've got 50 unbelievable facts that will blow your mind. From history, science, nature, and beyond. Ancient rituals, strange animals, and sci-fi-like discoveries. Ready to have your mind blown? Hit like, subscribe, and let's start this insane mission. Did you know a pig's orgasm can last 30 minutes? Scientists believe this prolonged pleasure is related to how pigs mate. Talk about a historical mishap. Pharaoh Tutankhamun, the famous boy king of Egypt, met an untimely end when his mummy was accidentally burned in a lab. During a chemical experiment gone wrong, the ancient ruler's remains were severely damaged. In ancient Greece, a small penis was considered a sign of intelligence and self-control. The Greeks associated large members with lust and impulsivity, while smaller packages were linked to logic and reason. The vibration of a cat's purr has a therapeutic effect, reducing stress and promoting bone healing. Scientists believe these vibrations stimulate blood flow and tissue regeneration. Human skin is the largest sensory organ. Our skin is covered in nerve endings sensitive to touch, pressure, and temperature, all of which play a huge role in arousal. Get ready for the Kanamara Matsuri, a festival dedicated to all things penis. This annual event celebrates fertility and good health with giant penis statues, candy, and even penis-themed games. Vampire-related sexual fantasies are common worldwide. Experts believe it's the allure of danger, power dynamics, and immortality that gets people going. Women are more likely to have erotic dreams during ovulation. Hormonal changes can increase libido and make dreams more interesting. Did you know that some animals, like the adorable clownfish, can change their sex multiple times during their lifetime? This ability helps them adapt to their social environment and ensure their species' survival. Believe it or not, 1/3 of the population has BDSM-related fantasies, even if they don't admit it. These fantasies involve power dynamics, role-playing, and a little bit of pain. Japan's Aokigahara Forest, also known as the Suicide Forest, is shrouded in mystery and legend. Locals believe it's haunted by wandering spirits who lure unsuspecting visitors deeper into the woods. Did you know a dead person's skin can remain sensitive to touch for hours? Nerve cells in the skin can function briefly after the heart stops. In the Middle Ages, black cats were believed to be werewolves in disguise. People were convinced that witches could transform into black cats and wreak havoc on unsuspecting townsfolk, causing fear and chaos. For the Turritopsis doorni jellyfish, living forever is a reality. This amazing creature is biologically immortal, reverting to its juvenile polyp stage if injured or stressed. Humans can sense another person's presence behind them, even without seeing them. This is due to our ability to detect subtle changes in air currents and sounds. In the past, people were sometimes buried alive, leading to the invention of safety coffins with bells. These coffins had a string attached to a bell, so if someone woke up underground, they could ring for help. In 1930, scientists discovered living bacteria in a 500-year-old sealed coffin. This ancient bacteria survived centuries without food or water, proving life can persist in unexpected places. Area 51, the top-secret military base in Nevada, has been at the center of countless alien conspiracy theories. From UFO sightings to rumors of captured extraterrestrials, this mysterious location has captured imaginations worldwide. In ancient Rome, gladiators believed drinking the blood of their strongest opponents would give them vitality and strength. It shows how far people would go for an edge in the arena. Some mangrove forests have roots that seem to move toward you. These aerial roots grow above ground to help the trees breathe in oxygen-poor soil. Imagine thinking your loved ones are imposters. That's the reality for people with Capgras delusion, a rare condition making them believe their family and friends are doubles. When you lie, your body releases adrenaline, causing a spike in heart rate and making you sweat more. It's your body's response to stress and why lie detector tests work. Ever find yourself laughing in awkward or scary situations? It's your brain's way of coping with stress. Nervous laughter helps us diffuse tension and appear less threatening. Love knows no bounds, even with inanimate objects. People with objectophilia develop strong emotional attachments to cars, bridges, or musical instruments. Staring into someone's eyes for 10 minutes can cause hallucinations. This phenomenon is due to sensory deprivation as your brain makes sense of the unchanging visual input. Prolonged silence creates anxiety as our brains interpret the lack of communication as a sign of danger. Sharing secrets creates a powerful bond. When someone confides in you, your brain releases oxytocin, promoting trust and bonding. A person's attractiveness can increase when you hear their voice first. Our brains create an image based on their voice, influencing our perception of their appearance. People who lie frequently tend to blink less than truthful individuals. It's a subtle cue, but it's one of the many ways our bodies betray our true emotions and feelings. Spectrophobia, the fear of mirrors, is real and can trigger severe panic attacks. Sufferers may fear seeing their reflection, or that the mirror is a portal to another dimension. Male lions are the kings of the jungle, but they spend most of their days lounging around. These lazy felines can sleep up to 20 hours a day, leaving hunting and child-rearing to the females. Panama's golden tree frogs communicate using hand movements. They use semaphore-like gestures and foot flagging to attract mates and defend territory. The aptly named vampire moth uses its sharp proboscis to pierce the skin of insects or animals. Crocodiles are often portrayed as crying while eating, but it's not a sign of remorse. These tears are caused by pressure on their tear glands while eating. Male anglerfish take romance to a new level by permanently attaching to females for reproduction. The male's body fuses with the female's, providing sperm in exchange for nutrients. Sweden is home to surströmming, a fermented herring known as the smelliest food in the world. This pungent delicacy is so strong it's usually eaten outdoors and even banned on some airlines. Kopi luwak is made from coffee beans eaten and digested by civet cats. Kasu marzu, a traditional Sardinian sheep milk cheese, is infested with live insect larvae. The larvae are introduced to promote fermentation and give it a unique flavor. In South Korea, tongsul is an alcoholic drink made from fermented human waste. It's believed to have medicinal properties and is considered a delicacy by some. Certain types of honey produced by bees in Nepal contain granotoxin, a potent neurotoxin that can cause vivid hallucinations. In the Middle Ages, people believed sneezing could make your soul leave your body. It shows how little people understood about the human body back then. The oldest known dildo was discovered in a cave in Germany and is estimated to be 28,000 years old. This ancient artifact, made from polished siltstone, proves humans have been getting busy for a long time. In ancient China, eunuchs, men who were castrated, were buried with their genitals in jars. This was to ensure they were whole in the afterlife. Japanese samurai were known for their deadly sword skills, but their methods for testing sharpness were brutal. They often used prisoners or criminals to test their sword's ability to slice through flesh and bone. In India, there's a unique temple where rats are worshipped as gods. The Karni Mata temple is home to thousands of rats that are revered as reincarnated holy men and women. Space isn't just the final frontier, it's a potential gold mine. Asteroids, those giant rocks hurtling through space, contain vast amounts of precious metals, including gold, platinum, and nickel. In the vacuum of space, something strange happens when two pieces of metal touch, they fuse permanently. This phenomenon, called cold welding, happens because there's no oxygen to form an oxide layer. Jupiter's moon Europa is a fascinating world with a hidden ocean beneath its icy surface. Scientists believe this ocean could harbor life. making Europa a prime target for finding extraterrestrial organisms. At the center of our galaxy lies Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole emitting mysterious light pulses. These pulses, detected by astronomers, suggest something massive is orbiting the black hole, perhaps a cluster of stars, or even another black hole. Time travel, once thought to be science fiction, is actually real. In space, time flows slower than on Earth due to general relativity. And there you have it, 50 mind-blowing facts to impress your friends and make you question everything you knew. Which fact shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're down there, hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.